Generic versus branded products. Which one is the best option for you to sell right now on Amazon? And what are the legal implications of selling a product under a brand name that technically you do not own? Before we get started, yes, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment with this emoji in the comment section below. And head on over to our Instagram account to find out if you are the chosen one and if you won the Amazon weekly gift card. If you want to succeed on Amazon and if you want to sell successfully on Amazon, head on over to our website and book a consultation call with our team so that we can help you get started with your sales on Amazon. As a private label seller on Amazon, you are the one that gets to choose what brand name actually shows up on your product page. Generic products on Amazon are technically products that are not branded, products that don't have a specific brand, and generally they are products that are sold at a lower price point and are normally not really good quality. However, there are a lot of positives and negatives to selling generic products. Make sure that you watch the video till the end because I'm gonna go over all of those details at the end of the video. This is an example of a generic product, really nice looking product, brand name generic, doesn't really have any brand or any brand recognition, just a simple product that you can buy from Amazon. You have two options when you want to sell branded products: brand approved products and brand registered products. Brand approved products basically means that you get approval from Amazon to have your brand in the brand section of your product page. However, you do not need to have a trademark, but you do need to make sure that the brand that you are using is not trademarked by anyone else, and it's best that you have a letter of authorization ready as well as real images of your products. So this is an example of an authorization letter. You add your logo on the top, you add the date, and then this is an authorization letter that you present to Amazon so that you can get brand approval. Now, the authorization letter is going to be created from you to you, since you are both the seller and the brand name owner. So you just write your name, the seller name under which you have on your Amazon account, and then you add the brand name right here. Make sure that you also add the logo on top. Please feel free to pause the video and use the same exact letter of permission, letter of authorization. And you open a case with Amazon, you present this letter of authorization with images that showcase the logo printed on your product, and then you should be authorized. Brand registered products are completely different because brand registered products basically means that you have registered or trademarked your brand name. And it's best if you've trademarked your brand name in the country where you are selling. So if you're selling in the UAE, then it's best if you have a trademark that's registered in the UAE so that you can completely protect your brand. Once you have that trademark ready and you have your ASINs already or your products already listed on Amazon and you have your particular ASINs, then you can head on over to the Amazon Seller Central dashboard and register your brand. The perks of registering your brand on Amazon is that you get A+ content, you get to add videos, you get branded content, you get a store, and you get so many more things that can help you increase your sales on Amazon, but can also help you by giving a perceived value to the customer that the brand is actually much bigger than it might be. Let's be clear, there are no clear statistics as to if customers are buying more generic products than they are buying branded products. But common sense says that customers do find products that have a certain brand as having higher perceived value and maybe have a little bit more trust with a product that is branded and looks like it's high quality rather than just a generic product. With that being said, of course, it also very much depends on the category. Meaning if you're selling electronic products, maybe even apparel products and baby products, these are sensitive categories where people are looking to invest in particular brands rather than just buying generic products. So finally, what are the pros and cons? Pro number one of selling a branded product is you are really building a business and a brand. This is something that is long term. This is something that you can build and build and build and expand and expand and expand, and maybe eventually even sell it out. The negative part of selling a branded private label product or even a trademark branded private label product is that it does require a higher investment. Because it's a brand new brand and a brand new product, you will need to invest a lot of money into advertising, marketing, and getting people to recognize your product and to purchase it from Amazon. Now, what about generic products? The main negative, the main con of selling generic products is that you will definitely get resellers inside of the main listing, which basically means you will be competing with other sellers on the buy box. And the only way to win the buy box inside of a listing is to have the lowest price. And if you have the lowest price, it means that you are not making as high of a return as you want. Let me know in the comment section below, branded private label, trademark private label, or generic products, which one would you want to sell? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!